Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your temperature on your Delonghi Caffe Corso automatic coffee making machine, because you can choose how hot should your water come out or your coffee come out of this machine. There are so many possibilities which we can control. So it's easy to modify the temperature of the water used to make the coffee. You can make it easy, okay? When or the appliance is switched off and the main switch in is of course in position 1, because we have to start it in a special way, so we need energy, but the appliance has to be switched off right now. Then we have a button. There is one cup. As you can see, that is a button right off the power button. And we keep pushing and hold the cup button down until the lights on the control panel comes on. Here you can see the LEDs are now on. Then we can press the 2-cup button to select the required temperature. If the LED is on the left side on, that means that is low temperature. If we are pushing now on the 2-cup button, the LED number 2 will goes on and continue with this up to 4 LED power. The 4 LED means full power, super hot coffee, and that is the best option. But you can choose by your own. It's really awesome to make your own temperature as you like, and you can choose this by the 2-cup button easily. If you are fine with the temperature level you set up, then you press the 1-cup button to confirm the selection and the lights will go off. That it is how to set up your temperature level of your Delonghi Caffe Corso machine. I am choosing the hottest setup, I think. That is number 4. 4 LED on means full power, full hot, full awesome. Yeah. And now set up by pressing again the 1-cup and job's done. That it is how to program your temperature on your Delonghi Caffe Corso machine. That it is. Easy as shown. Really. Now set. Confirmed. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. And let's have a delicious, super hot coffee on this machine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Delicious.